Hey, what's going on, traders? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, where we teach you the ins and outs of trading the markets to make you a better trader. Now, before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below so you get notified when we post another video. And last but not least, if you're interested in some of the custom studies that we use for Thinkorswim in our videos on the channel, I dropped a link in the description below where you can go and check those out if you like. Now, in this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive on another bullish reversal chart pattern, the Falling Wedge. Let's go.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Okay guys, the Falling Wedge is a bullish reversal chart pattern, and we're going to have 5 different components that make up this pattern. So let's get into it. The first component is going to be a downtrend. All right, this is going to need to be in a downtrend first. That's going to be our component number 1. All right, component number 2, it's going to be making a series of lower lows. And as it does this, we're going to be drawing in a trend line across those lower lows. Component number 3, it's going to be making a series of lower highs. And as those lower highs come in, I'm going to draw in a trend line to mark the tops of those lower highs. Component number 4, as this pattern forms, it's going to be making shorter and shorter legs, forming this wedge pattern. All right, giving us the falling wedge. And then as this gets smaller and smaller and smaller, eventually the bulls are going to take over. And as it breaks out above this top trend line, that's where I'm going to be looking to enter for the breakout to the upside, giving us our component number 5, the breakout. All right, and where would I place my stops? My stop is going to be placed somewhere right here below this bottom trend line. Okay, all right, so now let's go into the charts and see if we can find one of these as an example in the charts. Let's go. Okay, so here is an example of a falling wedge pattern. And let's just go through here and count out the components. Okay, component number 1, it's going to be in a downtrend. You can see that this is at the start of the day, so part of this downtrend is in the pre-market, but that's okay, it still forms the pattern, and we're able to call it a falling wedge. All right, so got the downtrend, component number 1. All right, component number 2, we're going to be making a series of lower lows. All right, number 2, check. Component number 3, we're going to be making a series of lower highs. Okay, series of lower highs. All right, so we can see that it forms this wedge here, which is component number 4. It's making smaller and smaller undulations here to give us the wedge pattern. All right, so now we can see that as price gets smaller and smaller here, the action gets smaller and smaller. Eventually the bulls take over as it breaks out of that trend line, and we get the move up for component number 5. All right, so let's go see if we can find another example in the charts. Okay guys, here's another example of a falling wedge reversal pattern. And we can see that we have component number 1, it's in a downtrend, making a series of lower lows. There we go. Making a series of lower highs to form that wedge. And then we get the breakout of the trend line and the reversal. Okay guys, so that is the deep dive on the bullish reversal pattern, the falling wedge. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, leave me a comment down below. Do you trade the falling wedge pattern? Maybe you should. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and check that description below for a link to the free PDF here of the classic chart patterns that we've given you here. You can download that and do it as you like. Print it out, put it on your computer so you can have it by your side while you trade as a reference, as our free gift to you. All right guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.